has evolved, I think, in a very laudable right way. But the focus of why we are here, the focus of why our employees show up, the focus of why our volunteers come and our governing volunteers come has stayed, I hope, the same. The question is, are we still focusing on it enough? Okay, so 3 philosophies for you. And by the way, about 10 years into my speaking gigs, my dad comes to one of them and he sees these first 3, which is pretty much on every gig I do. He says, "We told you those at dinner." I said, "Yes, you did." He said, "And you get paid for this stuff?" I said, "Yes, we do." He says, "Can I have some?" I said, "No, you can't." So, your nonprofit's a mission-based business. What does this mean? Notice I do not say business. But your organization is in the business of providing mission. Mission is the reason you exist. But if you, whether you are a paid staff or a volunteer, whether you are a governing volunteer or not, your job in the nonprofit that you serve is to be the best steward you can be of the resources that the community entrusts with you. Because really you're stewarding, the genesis of that word is people who manage other people's resources. You're stewarding the community's resources. And your job is to get the most mission out the door every day with the resources you have at your command. So what's the difference between a mission-based business and a non-mission-based business? Well, I actually call them this. I call it your mission-based business or a charity. And I know charity is the technical term. I get all that part. But here's the difference. The charity looks at its mission, looks at its budget, looks at its resources, and says, I want to get the most mission I can do every day. And here are my resources. I have 4. I have some combination of 4. And in fact, all of you, your organizations have some combination of these 4 resources. Money, people, buildings, and equipment. That's it. That's all you've got. Some of you have more buildings, some of you have more people, some of you have more cash, whatever. But that's it. And the charities say, okay, and that's it. When we run out of those, run out of our ability to do mission, let's have a fundraiser, or whatever it may be. Let's get some more volunteers, or whatever it may be. And you can run a very, very well-run charity. You can do tremendous amounts of mission impact as a charity. This is not saying this is a bad thing to do. But the differentiation over the last 10 or 15 years with organizations that rock and roll with their mission is that they look beyond those 4 resources. They still have the same 4, money, people, buildings, and equipment. They look beyond them and have incorporated into them the resources that the business community offers us that they have spent billions of dollars, I don't want to say perfecting, but spending a lot of money figuring out how to do. Thus, good marketing becomes good mission. I'm not talking about marketing as fundraising. I'm talking about marketing as marketing. Good cash flow management, good HR, good inventory management, good governance, all those things become part of good mission.